India will identify, track and punish every terrorist. Within hours of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's warning, Operation Akraman was launched. India is locking and loading for payback, but can Pakistan withstand the blow? Operation Akraman, conducted by the Indian Air Force, is a powerful display of the country's military might. Through this large-scale operational drill, India is sending a clear message to Pakistan. It is ready to strike. The IAF showcased its advanced fighter fleet led by Rafale jets. These aircrafts are capable of executing complex missions, including ground attacks and electronic warfare drills. They can operate effectively across diverse terrains from flat plains to hilly regions. The Indian Air Force has also repositioned its assets from multiple air bases. As India tightens its grip on Pakistan, it is preparing for high-intensity ground operations. Is this the declaration of war against Pakistan? The Indian Air Force currently operates 2 squadrons of Rafale fighter jets stationed at Ambala in Haryana and Hashimara in West Bengal. With advanced capabilities and long-range missiles, the Rafale gives India a strategic edge. India is also deploying modern weaponry such as Meteor air-to-air missiles and long-range precision strike systems like Rampage and ROKS. The Rampage and ROKS missiles are designed to strike well-defended targets such as command centers and air bases. The Indian Navy is also operating in full force. Its guided missile destroyer, INS Surat, recently completed a successful test of a medium-range surface-to-air missile. This isn't the first time India is preparing for a revenge strike. The Pulwama attack serves as a stark reminder of India's ability to unleash devastating retaliation against those who threaten its soil. The Pulwama attack carried out by Pakistan's Jaish-e-Mohammed killed 40 CRPF personnel. In response, India launched precision strikes inside Pakistan in 2019 using Mirage 2000 jets. Since then, India has acquired Rafale jets, strengthening its edge over regional rivals. After the brutal attack on tourists in Pahalgam, which killed 26 people, PM Modi has assured that the terrorists will face punishment beyond imagination. Now, with India focused on settling the score with Pakistan, how far will the country go?